Hello Ana. Mustafa tahtadan kapat.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning here in Portugal. How are you? Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you know what we're going to talk about today?
Recycling.
No, it's not recycling. It's global warming.
Global warming.
It's connected with recycling, of course, but it's global warming. And first I'm going to make a kind of game with you. I'm going to show you some pictures and then you have to choose the best title for the picture. I give some options for you to choose. Okay? Start like this. Okay? I'm going to share my presentation. Okay? Oh, sorry. Oh. Wait just a minute. Where are you? Okay, you are here. Okay. Wait a minute because I'm doing such messy thing.
I should make you host.
Wait a minute because I have to see if I can share. Let me see if I'm able to share like this. No, you have to put me like a host. Yes, I send you a request. Okay. Thank you. You seeing now?
Not yet. Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Now you see the picture? Yes. And now I'm going to have to give you some options for the title of this picture. Okay? You choose the 1, the 2, or the 3. What do you think this is? You think this is natural? You think this is a catastrophe? This is a tornado? What do you think is this? What do you choose? The 1, the 2, or the 3? You think that is natural, the soil being like this, all open and without nothing, is natural?
Yeah.
You think this could be good for the plants to have the soil like this without no water?
Yeah.
Okay, so you choose what? The 1, the 2, or the 3? 2, okay. Now this is more difficult. You see, this is land, and in several years, okay, and you see the white spot. You seeing that? Okay. What is happening? What is the white spot? The white spot is what? Is ice? Is fire? Is becoming smaller. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So is ice melting, wildfire, or the ozone hole? What do you think it is? Becoming smaller, less. Is white and is solid. What is? This is
Can you repeat the question?
okay. This is the polar places here in the north. And the white spot that you see is reducing, is becoming smaller. So it's ice melting, wildfire, or the ozone hole.
Ice melting. Ice melting.
Ice melting, yes, you're correct. And now this. This is on in the sea, and warm waters, less with. Okay, you think that the white one is dying. You see, the white one was brown or yellow, and now it's white. What is this? What animal is this? This is an animal, it's not a plant. In Australia, there's a huge barrier with these animals. And when they die, they become white because they lose their colors. So, is this a preserved habitat, or is this a coral reef that is being destructed? What is this? What do you choose? The 2?
Yeah.
That's correct. Okay. Okay, these problems that I show you, the destruction of some habitats, the ice melting, some catastrophes are are happening because we are changing the equilibrium, the balance of the Earth. We have the atmosphere that is so important to us, but now we are increasing the gases like the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. You know it. So this is our atmosphere. We have oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. The problem is that we are increasing the level of carbon dioxide, and this is very dangerous. Okay, we need the atmosphere to live because we need something that is very important to us. That's it, oxygen. But it's not only the oxygen that we need to survive. We need liquid water. We need solid crust. Our planet is a solid one. We have platform support for us and the other other life to be okay, like the rocks, like the soil. We need to be warm. Our planet is the third in the solar system. We are very lucky for that because we have light, solar radiation, but in a medium level. But it's important to keep the radiation, the solar radiation, near the surface of the Earth. Because if we don't, if that didn't happen, we'll be like the other planets, like Mars, like Venus, that when they are not illuminated by the sun, they are frozen. Okay? So the Earth doesn't happen like that because we have the greenhouse effect. You see, the greenhouse effect is
Yes.
important to us. It's not negative. Sometimes we say, but it's not correct. The greenhouse effect is important. It's like a blanket in the surface of the earth. But the problem is that we are increasing that effect. And how we increase? With the pollution, with the use of fossil fuels, with the use of some gases in the refrigerators, in the sprays. See the image. It's important to have carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but it doesn't have to be so much like is now. See, if we increase the carbon dioxide and methane and the some oxides, nitrogen oxides, the radiation that stays near the surface is too much for us. It's not natural and it's not balanced. We have to let it go some of the radiation for the planet doesn't increase the temperature. You see, global warming is this, is the increase of the temperature of the earth, of the surface. See? And this is provoked by us, by the humans. See?
Yes.
You see, this is a graphic. Uh, in the base, in the X, we have the time.
Yes.
2000 to 2050.
Yes.
And in the other, we have temperature. You see, in the black line, we have the what is happening. You see that the temperature is rising, but it's not rising too much. But if we stay like we are now, if we don't do anything, the line will be like the red one. You see, the temperature will rise so high that is going to destroy the most of the life that we know now. But if we do something, if we try to reduce, if we try to change something, maybe the line will be like the blue one that stays stable. Okay? Because now it's too difficult to decrease the line. But we have to try to keep it stable, because it's not possible. The scientists think that it's not possible, of course, to decrease. But we know that nature is wonderful. Maybe it's possible, but we have to do something. Understand? We have to be as one. Everyone do something little, but everyone, because if we don't do anything, the global warming will be increasing more than we ever going to support. See? Now we're going to do another game. You see this diagram? It has causes, event, consequences. The event that I chose was the global warming. Now you have to distinguish causes from consequences. Causes are the behaviors, are the things that we do that are going to make the event happen. Okay? The consequences are what the event is going to provoke, is going to do. Okay? So if you see, I make the arrows all in circle, because sometimes the consequences became the causes of other events. So we have to choose very well what we do now, because sometimes we make new problems, new events because of the things that we do. So we have to choose wisely what we're going to make, what we're going to use, what we're going to build. Okay? We have that responsibility. Like animals in this world, we have that responsibility. So now I chose the event is global warming, and I'm going to ask you what is the causes and what are the consequences. Okay?
Okay.
Yes? You're ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Higher greenhouse effect is a cause of global warming or a consequence? It's going to provoke, it's going to make the global warming. Cause, okay, yes. Now, air pollution is going to increase some of the gases in the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide, like methane, like nitrogen oxides. So it's going to be a cause to increase the warming or a consequence? Cause? Okay, sea level rise. Okay, the water in the sea is going to rise. Not like a tsunami. It's only rising. So some of the habitats will going to be, it's going to disappear. Some of the islands are going to disappear. This is because the ice is melting. So it's a consequence or a cause of the global warming? Consequence. Okay, yes. And the polar ice caps melting. Is a cause or a consequence? Polar ice, it's the globe, the Earth. We have the Earth, and in the north and in the south are the polar ice caps. So they are melting. They are turning the ice to liquid water. So this is a cause or a consequence of global warming? Consequence, yes. And destruction of habitats.
Cause.
Is that a cause or a consequence? It could be, you're right, it could be the two. Because if the sea level rise, it destructs very much of the habitats. Okay, so it's a consequence. But the destruction of habitats could be also a cause. You're right. You're thinking critically, because if the forest will disappear, so there will be no forest captation of carbon dioxide. The plants will not captate the carbon dioxide. So the greenhouse effect will rise too. So could be a cause. Okay, you're right. And the reduce of the diversity of life is a cause or a consequence? Consequence. Well done. Extinction, so right, the life disappear, so it's also a consequence. Okay, you know what are F gases? You know what they are useful? They are used in the air conditioning sprays and in the refrigerators. They don't reduce the ozone hole, but they increase the greenhouse effect. So we use these F gases very much. So they are going to increase the greenhouse effect. So they are going to increase the global warming. So it's a cause or a consequence? They are going to increase the greenhouse effect. So they are a cause or a consequence of the global warming? Cause, okay. The dependence of oil. Cause.
Petrolün artması. Petroklanın artması sebebi
now
sonuç.
intensive cattle breeding. You know what is cattle breeding? What is cattle breeding?
Cows.
Cows. That's why we have to choose other things to eat. Not only meat, but other things. Like fruits, like vegetables. See? And forest destruction.
Cows.
Okay. Now what we can do? We see what are the causes. We see what are the consequences. But now we have to do something. We have to be responsible. We have to choose wisely. We have to think that we are responsible for our planet. What can we do? In every day, we have to choose. So, what can we choose? You see, we must reduce carbon footprint, choosing local or regional products, things that we have in our countries, things that we have in our cities. You see, we have to use collective transports, not only a car for one person. We may choose buses, trains. See? We have to avoid using disposable materials because they are going to pollute, because they are going to destroy the nature. We have to reduce the dependence of fossil fuels using green energies, the solar energy, the wind, the waves, the water. Okay? So we have to reduce the waste, recycling, reuse the materials, use biodegradable materials, natural materials. See? But we don't have to look only upon us. We have to look for the other life in Earth. So we have to respect all the life, respect the habitats. So we have to protect native species, the species that are in our territory, in our country. We have to protect them. We have to promote sustainable agriculture, cattle breeding and fishing. Okay? We don't have to eat the same fishes every year. We have to change, to give time for them to be in a reasonable number, the population of fishes. Okay, we have to look upon them. We just don't have to be only interested in us. We have to see the planet as one. Okay, you have some suggestions to do, something that you do that is not here in my list?
No.
No. Okay.
You said
Thank you.
everything.
Okay. There are questions. You have questions for me?
No.
No, there's something that you don't understand.
Yes. Thank you very much, Anna.
Ciao. Good lunch for you.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bekleyin.